Hello viewers, welcome to ABCD Product House YouTube channel. There are many products available to choose stove for camping, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best stove for camping from reputable brands, so without any further delay let's jump into the video. Instafire Inferno Outdoor Biomass Stove, perfect for camping, portable, weighs only 2 pounds and 2 ounces. Adjustable feet and pot holders fold right into the stove and fit into the carrying case that accompanies the stove. Durable, coated in anodized titanium and crafted with high-quality stainless steel, the Instafire Inferno Camping Cooking Stove allows for maximum heat resistance on the outer surface. Vortex effect. Thanks to its double wall construction and high heat vortex effect, the Inferno can easily reach temperatures of 1,500 degrees. Fuel sources. Using any fuel source, the Inferno consumes any biomass fuel including paper, twigs, leaves, pellets, wood chips, pine cones and, of course, Instafire fire starter. The Inferno makes a perfect emergency stove. USB-controlled, high heat with a super-powered USB-controlled fan at the bottom of the stove gives ultimate heat control for meals that are not burnt or undercooked. Number 4. BRS 4200W Camping Stove, shelf that can be put away, automatically adapts to the stand. The arc of the bottom of the pot can hold the cooking pot firmly. It can be completely stored when not applicable. Save space. Infrared radiation. Use infrared radiation for cooking, slow simmering, uniform heating, preventing heat source concentration, and not easy to paste the pot. Ideal for outdoor picnics. Storage bag. The storage bag carried by the stove can completely store the stove bracket into the EVA storage bag to protect stoves from loss. The stove is only 0.48 kilograms, which makes it easy to carry around. Universal interface. The universal interface for high mountain tanks can use various gas sources, such as long gas tank adapters, liquefied gas cylinder adapters, and Gute gas tank adapters. The length of the trachea is about 500 millimeters. Number 3. Volcano Grill's 3-fuel portable camping stove, 3 fuels, propane, charcoal, or wood, connects to standard 20-pound propane tank, or adapter for portable bottles sold separately. Portable, collapses down to 5-inch, fits in carrying case for easy storage and transportation. Sets up in just seconds. Versatile, grill, Dutch oven, wok, bake, roast, fry, fire pit. Use for camping, tailgating, RVs, emergency preparedness, survival, and prepping. Safe and efficient, 19,500 BTU burner. Efficient use of charcoal and wood in the patented cook chamber. Number 2. eixRX Camping Rocket Stove, use wood, gas and more. What's great about this stove is its wide compatibility with all sorts of fuel types. The stove accepts various fuels. Not only can you use a traditional gas tank or solid fuel tablets, but you can also use any type of wood you might bring or find along the way, and enjoy a real wilderness fun. Portable and lightweight, easily collapsible. Unfold size, 8.3 by 5.5 by 5.5 inches, fold size, 8.3 by 5.9 by 1.6 inches. Net weight, 2.39 pounds. This camping stove comes with its own carry bag so you can fit into your gear bag, the back of your car, and etc. Foldable components make the tent stove compact for transport and storage. Stable and durable. The backpacking stove is made to superior stainless steel with strong anti-rust ability and can withstand any harsh outdoor environment. High temperature resistant, will not change or deform. The cuboid design makes the product more stable and provides a reliable support for the kitchen utensils. Number 1. Aroka Bulin Aroka B18 18000W Aluminum Alloy Portable Picnic Camping Stove, New Upgrade Copper Furnace Core. The backpacking stove is made of high-quality stainless steel and copper, stands high temperature and weight, anti-corrosion, strong oxidation resistance. The center of the camp stove's made of copper material, which will not burn the furnace core to create a break. The collapsible bracket is anti-skid and high strength, bearing capacity almost 75 kilograms. High energy efficiency and flame control. With the flame adjustment knob you can adjust the flame size as you need. It can reach 1800 W firepower and boil water in a short time. Carry with a piezoelectric ignition system. Honeycomb mesh design with windshield, concentrated flame combustion, saving gas fuel.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem please comment below. Thanks for watching.